everyone, welcome to my kitchen made with love. Yay, my grandma is making soft puttu today. If you enjoy our videos, like, comment, share and subscribe.
Thank you, Advait. Hello everyone. Let's start our today's recipe. Take 1 cup of raw rice and jaggery, 8 cashews chopped, a half cup of grated coconut, a quarter teaspoon of ilachi. Also, a half cup of water added with 1 pinch of salt and turmeric powder. Soak the rice for 2 hours. After that, drain the water and dry it on cotton cloth as shown for around 30 minutes. Rice should stick like this. Now, let's roast the rice till it turns brown. Around 10 minutes it will take in medium flame. Tossing in medium flame ensures rice getting roasted inside out. Sometimes in high flame the outer shell only turns brown, but after grinding, you will see the flour will be white in color. Well roasted rice gives flavored and soft puttu. You will sense the popping sound of rice. It's completely roasted now. Now, cool it down to room temperature. Then, grind finely. Cool the ground powder to room temperature. In the meantime, let's fry cashews in ghee. 30 seconds in slow flame till it turns light brown. Also toss coconut in slow flame for around 3 minutes. It adds good aroma to puttu. Transfer it to a bowl as leaving it in the pan will turn it black. Heat the turmeric water to lukewarm temperature. Sprinkle the water and keep mixing it. At this stage, if you are getting lumps, grind the flour in smaller portions briefly in whipper mode. It will become uniform and soft. Add the flour in cotton cloth and pack it as shown. Let's steam cook now. Once the water starts boiling, keep the plate and cook in medium flame for 10 minutes. Check the thread-like consistency. Cool it completely. Let's make jaggery syrup now. Add the water and jaggery. Keep tossing. Around 6 minutes it will take. To check the consistency, take a bowl of water and add small portion of jaggery syrup. It should get into a shape like this. Now add the jaggery syrup on the floor. Mix well. Add ilachi powder, fried coconut powder, and fried cashews. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee for good aroma. Mix well. Puttu is ready. Advait, how is it?
It's aromatic puttu. Hello everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video today, Uma's Kitchen video, and please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up.